Hi everyone, today we're going to be playing an inferencing game. We are going to be describing a couple of different animals, and I want you to listen to all of the parts and try to figure out which animal we're talking about. All right, we're going to play a game. Let's get started. All right, we are going to try to guess different animals that live on the farm. Here are your first clues for the first animal. This farm animal is really big. It likes to eat grass. This animal makes milk and he makes a sound. He says moo. What animal could it be? It's a cow. Moo. Are you ready to guess the next animal? Let's listen. This animal has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. This animal can lay eggs and it makes a sound. It goes cluck, 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 cluck. What could it be? It's a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Chicken. Let's try to guess our next animal. This animal likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. This animal's fur turns into wool, and it also makes a sound. This one says bah. What could it be? It's a sheep. Bah, sheep. Let's try to guess more animals. Let's listen to this one. This one has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has webbed feet. And this one makes a sound. It goes quack, quack. What could it be? It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Are you ready to guess the next animal? This animal runs really fast. Its baby is called a foal. This is an animal that we can actually ride on. And it makes a sound. It goes, neigh. Can you guess? What animal is it? It's a horse. Neigh. Horse. This next animal is bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a poult. It has really huge feathers and it also makes a sound. It goes gobble, 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 gobble. What animal could it be? It's a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Turkey. You're doing so well with these. Let's try more. This next animal likes to roll in the mud. Its baby is called a piglet. This animal has 4 legs and it makes a snorting sound like what could it be? It's a pig. Pig. You did a great job guessing all of your farm animals. So you can play this game with other things around your house, listen for descriptions, and you try to figure out what mom or dad or someone else is talking about. Maybe you could describe different items like food, toys, ocean animals, and other ideas that you might have at home. All right, happy practicing. I'll see you next time. Bye.